Hi guys, today we're just going to be running through just a few of the effects that you can get on the with UV, and what we're going to start with is printing on what a lot of companies use. They like to use for covers of magazines, things like that, which is Miri board. So with the Miri, you can use a white underneath to emphasize certain wording, and then you can use, say, a progressive white coming through just to give different depths and effects. So you have things like this, or you can just use it as a piece out like that, so you're getting everything else underneath, just to give it that sort of lift. It's used in many different ways coming through, and then some with none at all, so to give more of a flat effect, and then, as you can see, just to give it that little bit more punch where it's needed. So they're your kind of standard Miris. Then you can come into your holographics, so just to give a different effect as you move it around. Nice little effect of a bathroom mirror there, so bringing these up, or DVD covers, got the hologram in there just to give a different emphasis, and little gift wraps or party bags. Again, it just gives it a certain lift, just to give it something that something else on the shelf doesn't have. So just to catch your eye, do that. Or you can do it subtly, just standard print with, if you can catch that, the butterfly is coming through with just a spot gloss UV underneath. Just catches your eye, but in a different way. Similarly, you got 5 colour here, so you got 4 colour process with a white underneath. You got a full over matte varnish, and then if you can just catch that on the outline, you got a nice gloss just to emphasise the outline. Hopefully you can pick that up. And then in contrast to that, you've got rough and smooth varnishes. Now you've got a rough matte printed there, and then you've got a gloss on all the other parts, so to give a completely different contrast, which personally is one of my favourites. I really like this one. And then coming through, just a very simple effect, just a simple white printed onto some transparent material there, lifting that off to give the apple in the middle a nice punch through. So these are just a very small example of some of the effects that you can get just with your 4 colours, a bit of white and some varnish. That's it. Thank you very much.